We are now carrying out a successful test of the Man TGS 480 truck. Today is Thursday, February 9, 2021. For Man truck with automatic gearbox. In an elevated area. In the Hadramaut region, Yemen. On Mukalla Road. In Aqaba called in Yemen. Obstacle artists. The result was more than wonderful in terms of strength and efficiency, and the truck was carrying 100 tons. I am ready to bear more than this. Thank you Germany for this program that solved the problem. The gearbox has become automatic. Compete and challenge the normal gearbox. Man TGS.